If you want to add a service that is profitable, fast, clean, fun, and enjoyable for your clients, try the Ultimate Airbrush Face Painting System. It's the fastest, cleanest airbrush face painting system around, and our Ultimate Airbrush stencils are amazing. Check it out in the link below. So this next two balloons are similar again, which is why I'm tagging them together. I'm going to do a hippopotamus and I'm going to do a Brontosaurus or Allosaurus or something like that, you know, a big plant eater. So let's start with that one. All right, so not very long. I have probably almost 8 fingers left because it's going to take a lot for the neck, all right, and it should have a long tail. So what I'm doing is I'm pushing my finger in. I push the knot in because I'm going to grab that knot with my other hand. But again, I'm not just doing the one depth of the finger. I'm going deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper, trying to really get deep inside there. Everything in, now I'm pushing it off my finger, pushing it off. And you see what happens is I get a really crazy movement out of that. All right, twist that off with the knot on that end, I mean on this side of the twist. That's going to be my neck, 2 legs, fat body, so I'm going to do body about twice the size of the legs. So that's the 2 section of the body. I'm going to do the 3rd section because, you know, when I do a 3-section body, they look fat. They look fatter. So I'm going to push that through there. That section goes through, and I roll around like that. And then 2 back legs. And you want to have some left over for a tail. But you notice I don't have a lot left over. All right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to line these legs and I'm going to squeeze them in between the 2 side sections of the body. So this right here is where I'm going to wind up squeezing these up inside there like that so that they come down out of the body. All right. Now my head's all messed up. All I need to do is do some moving with it, and what I'll get is I'll get that kind of a head. Pretty nice, huh? I had to find my marking pen. You know, this can be a land before time type dinosaur. Right? Big smile, fat body. So the deeper you go with, you can see how that balloon is stretched. You can see how this edge of the balloon, that's the knot, that little stretch inside there, that's the knot. See it stretched under here? That's how you get the head. And now you've got a little Brontosaurus. So the hippopotamus is similar, right? Same thing, pushing the knot in with my finger, but I'm only going a fingertip, you know, the finger length depth. Twist that off. And I want to move it so that the stretch, the balloon, I bend it, and what happens is the knot comes up to this side of the balloon. It's not directly in the middle. It's up to the top. All right, and I get this kind of a hippo nose. 2 little tiny balls, because those are actually ears. They're not eyes. Hippos have the ears on top, right? And now I get a little of that hippo nose. A neck, 2 legs, big fat body. So, at least as long as the legs or longer. So that's going to be the two sides of the body, and I'm going to make a single twist the same length. Then I push through here, roll those around, push it through, and I want the two sides on the bottom, that is the back. All right, two legs and a little tiny tail. Little tiny tail. All right. Give him eyes. And I usually give him big nostrils, like that. Easy peasy, right? Hippopotamus, Brontosaurus, Allosaurus, whatever it is now. There you go. Don't forget to subscribe. I got a lot more coming, a lot more magic coming. I'm going to do stilts here as soon as I can get outdoors to do it, because stilts are very easy to learn. All you need are the stilts, and all of a sudden you can be working 4th of July parades, you can be working Memorial Day events, you can be working New Year's Eve events, and charging hundreds of bucks an hour, right? So that's one of the things I want to throw out there, and I'll see you another time. Don't forget to click on my coaching site too. That's in the description below. The airbrush site is in the description below. It's all there. Have a great day.